Nana. Now the concept is magnetic field production between the plates of the capacitor. Look here, Nana. This is the capacitor, Nana. Capacitor have two plates, Nana. Okay. Here each plate in the circular shape, Nana. Each plate in the circular shape. Here each plate radius is R. Circular plate. Capacitor consists of two plates, Nana. Each plate here the shape is circular shape. Circular shape radius is R. In the situation between the plate here varying electrical field because this capacitor connected to the battery which will be flow current. This current is called conduction current. Okay, Nana? Here charge increase on the each plate. Charge increase, electrical field increase between the plates of capacitor. According to Maxwell, here electrical field vary in this region. This region look like here. This is the electrical field varies region. Once again, here electrical field varies. Electrical field varies. This region radius is equal to capital R. Here varying electrical field to produce the current. This current is called displacement current. This displacement current to produce the magnetic field. This magnetic field now I determine. Once again I repeat. Here conduction current flows through the capacitor. Charge increase, electrical field increase, varying electrical field to produce the displaced current. Okay, this is the displaced current. Okay, Nana. Here, this displaced current to produce the displaced current to produce the magnetic field. Now we determine magnetic field now. Okay, look here, all of you. Listen carefully now. This is the capacitor now. Look here. Here a circular electrical field is formed here. This can be considered as a axis between the plate of capacitor. Intaki ee circular path radius enta capital R is equal to radius of the each plate of the capacitor. Fix it. In that situation, this point we determine magnetic field. Magnetic field induction determined by using Ampere circuit law. Based on Ampere circuit law at point P around the axis we assume a circular path. This point P is a distance is R. Look here, all of you. We want to find magnetic field at a point P, our agenda. Okay, here is a distance small r from the axis. In this situation, tangent gives the direction of magnetic field. Tangent gives it gives the direction of length here, length of the circular element. In this situation, what is the Ampere circuit law? Integration of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught into IC plus ID. But here I discuss between the plates of capacitor, only one current is there. The current is displacement current. Only one current is present. The current is called displacement current. Okay? Here, this is the capacitor. Here now, according to diagram, A bar dot B bar write as A B cos theta. Here B dl same direction, theta becomes 0, cos 0 1. Theta is angle between B and L. Right side mu naught ID. Here Nana ID is nothing but the ID dash, because look here, this total displacement current is ID, but point is here. Now this area displacement current is ID dash. Once again I repeat, this total area displacement current is ID, but point P is here. In this area displacement current is ID dash, ID dash. Look here, B is a constant, it write outside. Integration of dl, L right side none, mu naught into ID dash. Look here, B, find magnetic field, mu naught into ID dash whole by L. L means circumference. Circumference of the circle 2 pi r. Here r is distance from where the magnetic field is determined, that point to axis. Small r is distance between point P to, that means where the magnetic field is determined, that point to axis. Generally, in this area displacement current at the ID, simply that area radius is r square, pi r square ki ID capital radius. Unit రావాలంటే అంజలి by pi r square. ఏది చేసినా both side చేయాలి. But in this area displacement current, that area is pi small r square. ఏది చేసినా both side ID by pi r square into pi small r square. This is the new ID dash. Look here again చెప్తా ఇబ్బంది ఏముంది, అయిపోయా టాపిక్. Total area pi r square, given current is ID. Unit area ID by pi r square. Unit area ID by pi r square. సార్ కూర్చోండి సార్, సార్తో మాట్లాడండి కదా కూర్చోండి. Unit area ID by pi r square. Here na pi small r square ki, look here na ID by pi capital R square into pi small r square. This is the new current, that is ID dash. What is our agenda? To determine magnetic field production between the plates of capacitor. What is the formula? Here B equal to mu naught by 2 pi r. What is the ID dash value? ID by Huzur Khan pi small r square whole by pi capital R square. Here pi what? Cancel. In the situation, what is the magnetic field induction between the two plates? 1 r cancel. Mu naught by 2 pi capital R square into, look here now, ID into small r. Very important formula nana. Magnetic field production between the plates of the capacitor. Look here now. All of you look here. This point B shifted here. What happens? Small r, capital R. This means small r increases. We got maximum magnetic field. Here putting small r, capital R cancel. Finally this is the solution. What is the maximum magnetic field between the plates of capacitor? Is mu naught ID by 2 pi r. For example, point B shifts to axis. Simply, this point B shifts on the axis. Automatically, point B shifts on the axis. Small r becomes 0. Point B shifts on the axis. Simply, small r becomes 0. Here, small r 0. Magnetic field production between the plates of capacitor also 0. Simply, on the axis, magnetic field is 0. The current is called what current? Displacement current. The current is displacement current. The current is what current? Inside the between the plates of capacitor is displaced current. This is generally RMS current. Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. Resistance of the capacitor is XC. Ohm's law, V equal to IR. I equal to V by R. In the capacitor, its resistance is XC. XC formula is 1 by omega C. ఇది ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది సార్? ఇది ఎప్పుడు కనిపించలేదు సార్ అంటే ద చాప్టర్ నేమ్ ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ కరెంట్స్. ఓకే, లుక్ హియర్. I equal to V by XC formula is 1 by omega C. Finally we get I equal to V omega C. This is the relation between current and voltage in the case of capacitors. Very important notice. Okay, look here now. Please solve the problems. Please open your material.